if you've been uploading videos on YouTube and in the long run, you come to realize that when you upload a new video on your channel, it only gets views in the first 24 hours. But after the first 24 hours, your views flop, like your videos stop getting views. YouTube stops recommending your videos. That is a very big challenge that a lot of channels are facing, and mostly the small channels. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you 8 tricks that you have to apply on your channel to begin getting views. If YouTube stops recommending your videos, if your videos flop unexpectedly, these tricks are going to help you begin getting views. And when you apply this strategy that I'm going to share with you in this video, I promise you, you're going to come back to thank me. Now, before we begin, if this is your first time to be here, you're most welcome. My name is Ben, and on this channel, I make videos about tools, tips, and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. So subscribe and turn on notifications if you've not subscribed yet, and don't forget to like this video. Let's grow together. Now, the first thing that you should never do, yes, this is one thing that you should never do. As I said, there are 8 things that I'm going to tell you to do. But out of 8, there is only one thing that you should never do. And this one thing that you should never do, it is deleting videos from your channel. Now, I understand there are a lot of things, there are a lot of reasons to why people actually delete videos from YouTube. But deleting videos from YouTube, it is actually killing your own channel. If you delete videos from your channel, you're actually killing your own channel. Some people actually spend a lot of time to create videos, spend a lot of money, a lot of resources to create videos. But after creating the videos, they upload on YouTube and those videos don't get views. And then they feel like maybe they can delete the video out of YouTube and re-upload it again to try again and see if the re-uploaded video is going to get views. If you do that, you're killing your channel. That is going to actually affect your channel on a long run. You're going to spend years on YouTube without growing. You're going to spend years on YouTube without monetizing and without getting views. So the first thing that you should always think about is do not delete your videos from your channel, no matter what, unless a video is likely to bring you a strike. So if a video is likely to bring you a strike, you can delete that video. But for these other reasons, do not delete videos from YouTube. In fact, don't think about deleting any video from your channel, because once you do it, you're actually killing your own channel. The second thing you should do, create playlists on your channel. Use cards and end screens every time you upload videos on YouTube. Now, a lot of creators, mostly the new creators, actually don't mind about playlists, cards, and end screens. But these are the first things that you should always think about whenever you think about YouTube growth. If you don't use end screens, cards, and playlists on your channel, do not expect YouTube growth. Don't expect to grow on YouTube, because these 3 things always create a network on your channel. When you make your old video an end screen of your new video, viewers that have just subscribed to your channel today, they will be able to watch your old video. It later means that your new video is going to help your old video get discovered. And if you put your new video as a card in your old video, it later means that whenever your old video gets recommended, it's going to also promote your new video. And your new video is going to have more chances to get views. So the thing is, if you use playlists, cards, and end screens, it's like you're creating a network of promotion among your videos. Your videos are going to all get views. The third thing you should do, optimize your videos. Now, when I talk about optimization, I'm not talking about the kind of optimization that you hear other creators talking about. I'm talking about organizing your videos for the YouTube algorithm. Now, remember, every single day, millions of videos are uploaded on YouTube. So how do you actually make your video stand out of millions of videos? And there is only one thing that you have to do, is to organize your video for the YouTube algorithm, to make it easy for the YouTube algorithm to pick your video and begin recommending it to the right audience that want to watch your videos, because that is also important. Now, if you don't optimize your videos well, you'll find out that your videos are not going to get views. Your videos are going to die after a certain kind of period. As I said, optimization is like setting up your video the right way to make the YouTube algorithm see your video, pick your video, and begin circulating it. So it literally means that if you don't optimize your videos, the YouTube algorithm cannot see it, cannot pick it, and you'll end up uploading a video and only your subscribers watch that video, but other people don't watch your video just because your video was not recommended by the YouTube algorithm. The YouTube algorithm did not recognize your video to pick it and begin recommending it to other viewers that are not subscribed to your channel. So if you poorly optimize your videos, you're going to end up getting views only from your own subscribers and a few people that you share your videos to. The fourth thing, this goes to monetized channels. If you're monetized right now and you're not getting views, after uploading a new video, in the first 24 hours, you get a few views, but after 24 hours, your views die. If you use to get views before monetization and you're able to get the 4,000 watch hours and the 1,000 subscribers. You applied for monetization, you accepted to monetization, and after monetizing, your views die. The thing is, before getting monetized, your channel was not running ads. Your viewers were not seeing ads. But after your viewers beginning seeing ads, they are not watching your videos longer. Now, this actually happens when you put ads in between your videos. If you put a lot of ads in between your videos, it actually makes your viewers pissed off. It actually annoys your viewers. Let me use that language. It annoys your viewers, and your viewers are not going to watch longer. And as we all know, if your own viewers don't watch longer, the YouTube algorithm stops recommending your videos. So if you know that you put a lot of ads in between your videos, you should stop it. Put a fair number of ads in between your videos. For example, if your video is 8 minutes, you can put 2 or 3 ads in between that video. If your video is 12 minutes or 13 minutes, you can put 4 or 3 ads in between that video. Do not put a lot of ads in between your videos, because if your viewers are shown a lot of ads in just one video, they are going to stop watching it at an early stage. And remember, YouTube algorithm, it will just interpret it as your viewers are getting bored with your video. Your viewers are not watching longer, and the YouTube algorithm is going to bury your video. And now the second method that you can use under this same trick as a monetized creator, after uploading your video, in the first 24 hours, don't turn on ads. Yes, this is the same thing I do. Yes, on this channel Ben did it. In the 24 hours, I don't turn on ads. Mostly if I know that that video is not so much engaging. If I know that that video is kinda not engaging, I will not turn on ads in the first 24 hours. And if you don't turn on ads, every viewer is going to watch your videos from the beginning to the end of it comfortably without being distracted by these ads. Just as I said, most viewers actually get annoyed when they see a lot of ads. So at a time, you should always think about giving them free time to watch your videos without seeing ads. And this is one of the tricks that I actually use on this channel. And it actually helps me, because when I give them a free video that doesn't contain ads in the first 24 hours and they watch my video from the beginning to the end, if they watch from the beginning to the end, that will send a good signal to the YouTube algorithm. It will tell the YouTube algorithm this video is engaging. And in the next morning, the YouTube algorithm is going to begin circulating that video, is going to begin recommending that video. Remember, in that same morning, I'll turn on ads. And when the YouTube algorithm keeps on recommending my video just because yesterday my viewers watched it, my subscribers watched it longer, I'm going to get more views and I'm going to earn more money than a person that turned on ads immediately after uploading their videos and viewers did not watch longer. Viewers stopped watching and now the YouTube algorithm has buried their video. The fifth thing to do: if you upload videos on YouTube and in the long run you realize that your videos are not getting views or your videos don't get views after 24 hours, you should always check your thumbnail and your title. And now, how do you know actually whether your title and thumbnail are affecting your video? Whether your title and thumbnail is the reason to why you're not getting views? The thing is very simple. Go to your YouTube studio. Check what is called the CTR, the click-through rate. If people are not clicking on your thumbnail, YouTube is going to show you in your YouTube studio. So you should always check regularly whether viewers are clicking on your thumbnail or not. And if you realize that they are not clicking on your thumbnail, you should actually stop making that kind of thumbnail. Go and copy people that do the same content as you do. Copy their thumbnail style. Look at their viral videos and ask yourself what really made people to click on that thumbnail. Copy what actually made people click on that thumbnail. And look at your own thumbnail and ask yourself what is really making people not click on my thumbnail. Correct what is making people not click on your thumbnail. Because once you create attracting thumbnails, viewers will always click on the thumbnail that is attractive, a thumbnail that sparks their curiosity, a thumbnail that leaves them asking themselves what is really happening in this video. Tip number 7, copy what is working for your competitors. Now, competitors are meaning people or creators that create the same content as you do. You should copy what is working for people or creators that make the content that you do. Check those channels that create the same niche as you do and see what is working for them. Begin creating the related topics, the related content to what they are creating. If they create a video about a specific topic and that video goes viral, that video gets views, it later means that if you create the same topic, your video is more likely to get views. Remember, your audience is their audience. What their audience is interested in, if you create it on your channel, their audience are going to watch it. Tip number 8, upload what your your audience want to watch. Now, this is very, very important, and a lot of creators are making this mistake, mostly the new creators who have not understand how YouTube works. Now, stop uploading what you want you as a creator. Stop uploading what you feel like it's what you want. Upload what your audience want to watch, not what you want to watch. Because if you upload what you want to watch, it literally means that you're going to watch it for yourself, because that is what you want to watch. But once you understand what your audience want to watch, work hard, provide exactly what your audience want to watch. When your audience watch, your videos are going to get views. Your videos are going to go viral, just because the YouTube algorithm wants a creator who makes their audience watching and watching longer and longer. Now, once you understand that, bring what your audience want to watch. And now, how do you know what your audience want to watch? It is very simple. Go to your YouTube studio, go to analytics, and under analytics, go to audience. Under audience, you will see what your audience are watching. See the videos that your audience are watching on YouTube and make content related to what your audience are watching. Since that is what your audience is watching, if you make related topics or if you make related content to what your audience is watching, you will have more chances of your audience watching your videos. And if they watch, as I said earlier before, if your audience watch your videos longer, if your audience engage with your videos, it will make the YouTube algorithm happy with you as a creator. And you're going to end up getting views, getting viral videos. You're going to end up getting new people that will subscribe to your channel. Your channel is going to end up growing very, very fast. This is one of the tips that I actually use personally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Watch this playlist if you don't know how to add end screens in your video, if you don't know how to add playlists, if you don't know how to add cards, or if you don't know how to optimize your videos. Watch this playlist. So check out this playlist to get more knowledge about YouTube recommendation, YouTube growth, and anything that you need as a creator. Alright, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.